Guys, welcome. Chris Aqua here. In today's video tutorial, we're teaching you how to trade using the peer-to-peer exchange on ByBit. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to have an account on ByBit, and I'll drop a link in the description of this video, and you would use that link to create an account for yourself on ByBit. Mind you, it is a referral link, so if you want to, you can use it, but if you don't want, you can just go to bybit.com and create an account. All right, so once you create an account, download the ByBit app and log in. So once you log in, this is the interface you are going to get. All right, and once you are here, all you need to do to trade the peer-to-peer is to click on the assets button right down here. So down here you see the menu, you see the home page, you see markets, you see derivatives, trade, and assets. However, our concern for today's video is how to trade the peer-to-peer. Okay, so once I click on assets, you would see funding, sports, derivatives, and USDC right here. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on funding. Okay, so once you click on funding, it takes you to this page right here. So you can see crypto, you see fiat, you see deposit, you see withdraw, you see transfer, you see convert. Okay, so what token do you want to buy? In this case, let me click on USDT. Okay, right there, then I click on buy. All right, let me click on buy. So you can see at the top here, you would see one click buy. All right, once I click on it, you see P2P trading, so you click on P2P trading. All right, so once you click on P2P trading, click on trade now. So you see a list of people who are willing to sell their USDT to you, or whatever cryptocurrency you decide to choose. However, I need you to be very careful here so that you don't get scammed, and at the same time you don't get conned. All right, okay, so this is how you have to filter out those that are potential scammers on here. Okay, the criteria I use is that you must have over 90% ratings right here. So you can see this person has 57%. This is a no for me. 87%, this is still fair but still a no. This is 89%, still a no for me. Then this is 75 and 95%. All right, so I look at the percentage, and I also look at the number of orders that they have gotten within 30 days. So this person has gotten 86 orders, 0. This person has got 2,900 orders. That's still fair, but why does the person have 87% completion rate? That means there must have been issues. All right, but that is still fair. This person has 4,000 orders. That is a very perfect. All right, this person has 405. That is not really impressive. Now look at this person right here. This person has 100% completion rate, and the person also has 3,131 orders. All right, I would prefer to buy from this person, although the person at the top here has a cheaper price, and this person down here has a more expensive price. However, for you to be safe rather than sorry, I would rather go for this person with a higher price but with better ratings and better completion rate and higher number of orders, because I stand less chance of being scammed. Right, so all I need to do is to click on this person's profile. All right, then I input the amount of crypto I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 500,000 naira crypto. So you can see, let's say I want to buy 50,000 naira crypto. This is what it amounts to in USDT right here. So all I need to do is to click on buy. So once I click on buy, it will take me to a page where I would have to I would see the account number and account information I'm going to pay to. So once I make payments to that particular person, then I click on I've made payments, then the person will have to release the funds. So once the person releases the funds, you will find your funds under the funding account. Also, the same thing goes with when you want to sell. Let's go back. All right, so you can see the buy interface right here. This is the sell interface. So if you have cryptocurrency you want to sell, you click on sell. So these are merchants that are buying. So the same criteria goes for the sell orders. Okay, so you can see people right here. This guy has 95 96% completion rate, and he has 365 orders. I always try to go for 500 and above. All right, this person 42 orders, 82%. Nah, that's a no-go area. This is still better, 2000 orders, 87%, but still I wouldn't go with that person. So I'll look for a perfect person. Okay, look at this one right here, Ahmad, the FTA, 96% completion rate and 2730 orders. That is still perfect. Okay, so all I need to do is to click on this particular person. All right, once I click on this particular person, all I need to do is to enter the amount of USDT I want to sell, enter the payment method. If you don't have a payment method set up, it will require that you set up a payment method. All right, once you've done that, then come and click sell. So once you click sell right here, the person would get a notification from his or her own end, and the person is going to make the payment to the bank account that you supplied right here. So the person would then click on I have made payment from their own side, and it will reflect in your own place saying you've made payment. So now you also have to be extra careful. Despite the person having this perfect rating, you also have to be extra careful. You have to go to your bank account, enter your mobile app, and confirm that you have released you've gotten the payment. So once you've gotten the payment, then you can come back to this app and click on I have received the payment, and the cryptocurrency would be released from your account to this person's account. Okay, so basically that is how to trade using the peer-to-peer function on ByBit exchange. So if you bought a if you buy a cryptocurrency, your balance would be in the funding wallet. All right, to be in the funding account. Remember, we have funding, spot, derivative, and USDC to be in the funding account. So if you want to do anything with that fund, all you need to do is to move it from the funding account to your spot account. All right, if you want to do derivative, you move it from your funding account to your derivative account. And how do you do that? By just clicking transfer. So you'll be able to transfer your money from one account to the other. That's not the basis of today's video. Today's video is all about making trades using the peer-to-peer platform on ByBit. All right, that brings us to the end of this video. If this video has been helpful so far, please go ahead to like it, share your thoughts in the comment section, ensure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification button so that whenever I post informative updates like this, you will be the first to get them. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.